The Maverick shame like dog this evening. 3 love, and we yard. And look, the in thing now is Tapper out, Tapper out. Seriously though, how much of the blame must fall on Coach Tapper Whitmore? I think the entire process has been mismanaged to date. How can we have a national senior football team where half of the players were playing together for the first time and where 3/4 of the team was playing in their home stadium for the first time in a big World Cup qualifier? What we expect? Barcelona and Man City style football. And here we go again with the thinking that any amount of foreign-born players playing in any foreign league will make the Jamaica team better. But again, for 5 consecutive World Cup cycles, this one makes 6, we're making the exact same mistake. This time, it was 8 highly touted foreign-born players who were inserted against Panama simply because them born are foreign. And the result, one of the biggest home embarrassments in the history of Jamaican World Cup qualifying football. Again, a group of big-name players are not necessarily an effective team. Anyway, we are going high. Yes. I work for the best against Costa Rica. Yeah. Tapper, I still a coach. Tapper, I still a coach. We are going high. Me shame like that. Me shame.